Welcome, seeing, and hearing. How to make others feel special. Introduction, a kind heart. Hello, everyone. Today, we are going to talk about a very nice sentence. Be the reason someone feels welcomed, seen, heard, valued, loved, and supported. This is a long sentence, but the meaning is very simple and beautiful. It means we can make other people happy every day. Let us learn what each word means and how we can do this in our daily lives. Part 1. Welcomed, seen, and heard. Welcomed. When a new person comes to your house or school, you say, "Hello, come in. I am happy you are here." That is making someone feel welcomed. You make them feel at home. Seen. Sometimes people feel invisible. They think nobody looks at them. When you look at someone, smile, and say hello, you see them. You show them that they are important. Heard. Everyone wants to talk and share ideas. When someone speaks, do you listen? If you listen carefully and do not interrupt, they feel heard. They know their words are important to you. Part 2. Valued, loved, and supported. Valued. To value someone means to think they are special. Everyone has good things inside them. When you say, "Thank you for your help. You did a great job," you make that person feel valued. Loved. Love is a big word. In everyday life, love means being kind, gentle, and caring. When you share your food, help a friend, or give a warm hug, you show love. Supported. Life can be hard sometimes. People have bad days or difficult tasks. When you say, "Don't worry, I am here to help you," you give them support. You help them feel strong. Conclusion. Let's do it together. Every day, we meet many people, family members, friends, students, and neighbors. We have a special power. Our words and smiles can change someone's day. Let us try to be kind. Let us be the reason someone smiles today. Simple practice for today. Try to smile and say, "Good morning," or "Thank you," to at least 3 people today. See how happy it makes them. And you.